Young fellow from Memphis, Tennessee, by the name of Elvis Presley, who's coming up. This is the new look in Western music. I reckon that's as good a name as any. What's the title of your song, Elvis?
I forgot to remember to get.
Oh, that's a great one.
To forget her. Well, I can't seem to get her off my mind. I thought I'd never miss her, but I found out somehow. I think about her almost all the time. Made myself a promise that I'd soon forget we ever met. But something sure is wrong, 'cause I'm so blue and lonely. I forgot to remember to forget. Myself a promise that I'd soon forget we ever met. Well, but something sure is wrong, 'cause I'm so blue and lonely. I forgot to remember to forget.
Well, sir, that was Elvis Presley with Scotty and Bill, and I forgot to remember to forget you. A song that's been doing remarkably well all across the country for the past several weeks.